Standard 9A, standing here to deliver a speech on the topic Earth Day. Earth Day is celebrated every year on 22nd April. It started in 1970 in the United States when people began to realize how pollution was harming our environment. Since then, it has becoming a global movement to protect the environment. Earth gives us everything, such as air, water, food, and shelter. But in return, we are polluting it with plastics, cutting down on trees, and wasting natural resources. This day remind us to take action. Plant trees, use less plastic, save water, care for nature. Small steps can bring big changes. Let's protect. Let's protect. Let's protect our only home, not just today but every day.
Hello, dear children. Yes, it's me, your Earth, the planet you live on, the home that has cared for you for millions of years. And today, on World Earth Day, I finally get a chance to speak to you. I am made up of five scared elements: earth, water, fire, air, and space. Together, they make life possible, but lately I have been feeling tired. My forests are shrinking, my rivers are drying, my skies are smoky, and my soil is looking richness. I still give you everything: food, water, shelter, beauty, but I am hurting. Children, you are my last hope. You have the process to protect me. When you plant tree, you give me breath. When you save water, you quench my thirst. When you switch off unused light, you cool me down. When you pick up trash, you heal my wounds. And when you learn, care, and speak up, you give me strength. Take care of me, I promise. I will take care of you for generation to come. Be the solution, not the pollution.
मुझसे है सांसों की तुझ में रवानी मैं ना रहा तो रहेगा न पानी मुझसे है सांसों की तुझ में रवानी मैं ना रहा तो रहेगा न पानी मैं तेरा हिस्सा हूँ तू मेरा हिस्सा है मुझसे ही तू जिंदा है ना काटो मुझे दुखता है ना काटो मुझे बड़ा दुखता है हाँ, बड़ा दुखता है हाँ, दुखता है ना काटो मुझे दुखता है मैंने दिया तुमको फल फूल छाया तू तो समझ ही न पाया थामे हरा फिर भी काटा गया तुझको नजर भी न आया मैंने दिया तुमको फल फूल छाया